Hello everyone, my name is Haley Bailey and welcome to my channel, Swella. Today we're going to learn this hairstyle here. It is probably one of the easiest things that you will do. You are literally tying ponytails all the way down your head on either side, and then you just puff it out and take some tangles out and boom, you're good to go. And if you didn't see my Instagram stories, the hairstyle lasted me a good 3 days. If you do your makeup up real nice, it can look really good with a cute outfit, or it looks great even when you work out too. I think it's one of my favorite hairstyles so far. So, it's easy, versatile, and lasts for forever. Anyways, guys, here's how to do it.